What happens when you take one of the classiest SUVs on Earth and strip away every ounce of elegance? You get this, a Range Rover Sport that looks less like a luxury cruiser and more like a dinosaur ready to hunt. Meet the Barugzai Raptor, a wide-body beast that doesn't whisper refinement, it screams for attention. Forget the legendary Range Rover badge. Barugzai ripped it off the hood and slapped their own name across a vented bonnet with attitude. Up front, you're staring at a three-piece grille, a chunky bumper with LED lights, and a splitter so sharp it looks like it could slice the road in half. Glossy black trim ties it all together, but make no mistake, this is not subtle luxury. This is full-blown theater. From the side, the fenders bulge like a bodybuilder flexing in front of a mirror. Deep side skirts with black accents push the profile lower, while massive 24-inch forged wheels called L11 make it look like it rolled out of a video game. This isn't Range Rover elegance, it's pure aftermarket madness. And then comes the rear. One oversized roof wing, one extra spoiler above the taillights, because apparently one was never enough. Add in a fat diffuser and quad exhaust pipes trimmed in carbon fiber, and suddenly the back of this SUV looks like a Fast and Furious audition tape. Here's the twist, it's all skin deep. Underneath that prehistoric suit of armor, the Range Rover Sport stays the same. Depending on trim, you're still getting anywhere from a 247 horsepower diesel to the monstrous 626 horsepower twin-turbo V8 in the SV. So while the looks say Jurassic Park, the powertrain still says Range Rover. And the price? Not announced, but based on Barugzai's past kits, expect something in the ballpark of $8,000, plus wheels at nearly $3,000 a set. Translation, this dinosaur costume doesn't come cheap. So here's the big question. Did Barugzai just ruin the Range Rover's class, or did they create the wildest, boldest SUV you'll ever see on the street?